You don't need expensive weights or an expensive membership to flatten your abs and slim your waist. Today we're going to target your entire abdominal wall and slim your waist with just 2 water bottles. Are you ready to feel a burn? Then get on a mat and let's get started. Lie down. Your hands are facing the ceiling. Come up into a chest lift. And keep the C curve and come up. And come down to your shoulder blades. And up. And down. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button to keep the C curve. And come down to your shoulder blades. Come up as far as you can hold the C curve. And down, up and down. Few more, up and down, up and down. I hope you're already feeling the burn as much as I do. Down and up and down. One more. Up and down. Now move your legs closer to your bum. Your hands are facing the ceiling. Come up into a chest lift and rotate towards me. Pull yourself up a little bit. Come to center. Away from me. Pull yourself up a little bit. And the pulling is just a little movement, okay? So don't over-exaggerate it. Keep your chest lift tight. Don't come down. And come down. Now bring your legs to tabletop. Come up, move your legs, and just put your hands on your knees. Keep your chest lift position so you're up until your shoulder blades, ideally. Keep moving your legs on one line. So don't do this, but one line. So as if your feet are following a line. Just a few more reps. You can do it. And come down. Come up and touch your leg with your inner hand and touch your knee with your outer hand and switch. And switch. Switch. You're doing great. Just a few more. And come down. Your legs are on tabletop, your arms are above your head. Now move your arms up and come up. Straighten your back and come down. Up, straighten your back and come down. Try to come up in a C curve and come down in a C curve. Straight back, round your back and come down. And one more. Down. And now just come up into this sitting position. So put one leg down and then the other. And move a little bit to the back and sit down. Now we're going to focus on the spine to counteract the abs a little bit. So your arms are in front. And now imagine you have a wall behind you. So sit straight. And now move your head down, then your thoracic spine. And come down. And come up again. Vertebrae by vertebrae. This is going to strengthen your back and help balance out your abs. And come up. Let's do a few more. Roll down as if you're rolling down a wall. Come a little bit to the front and roll up. Your legs are shoulder width apart, by the way, and flexed. Roll down. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Try to be controlled and also engage your abs, even though we are focusing on the back right now. Your abs are constantly engaged. And come back up. Now come to the side. Put one bottle away. Your hand is facing up and your arm goes above your head. And now you push down as if you had a pedal instead of a water bottle and push it down. Imagine you are between two panes of glass. So try not to tilt your upper body too much. So push your water bottle down and pull it up. It's a really controlled motion. Push down and up and down and up and down and up, down and up. So push your water bottle down and up. You're between two planes of glass again. And up and down, up. Push your water bottle down and pull it up. Push down with control and pull it up. As if someone's holding your water bottle down. Imagine that tension is there the whole time. And push it down and up, down and up. Well done. Let's get onto our stomach. Your legs are hip width apart. Take one bottle, prop your hands on the bottle, push your pubic bone into the mat, and now roll up. Start from your head, and then your thoracic spine, and until your lower back. Engage your abs, and move back down. And come up. And back down. This is again working your back to counterbalance your abs. Still, it's important to keep your abs engaged to protect your lower back. And just come up as high as you're not feeling your lower back hurting, okay? So even if it's up until here, it's fine, as long as you have your shoulder blades away from your ears. And come down. And up. And down. Now, leave your water bottle where it is. Put your hands underneath your shoulders and push yourself up. We're stretching our abs now. You've done so well doing this workout. And come back down and push yourself into a resting position. And roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. So how did you like this workout using just water bottles as your props? Did you feel the burn? If you liked the workout and finished it, leave a bunny emoji in the comments below. Also, if you feel like doing more workouts, check out my playlist at the end of the video. And as always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. Thanks for joining me for my workout today, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!